Hey guys, what's going on? This is the Sledgehammer channel. Today I'm going to attempt to fold these 3 pieces of paper more than 7 times with this 6-pound sledgehammer right here. So basically I'm going to try to do kind of what the hydraulic press channel did. They try to fold a piece of paper more than 7 times with his hydraulic press, and I'm going to try to do basically the same thing but with my sledgehammer. Let's see if I'm successful. Now, I'm not a paper folding expert or anything like that. I literally don't really know much about this, so I'm just doing this out of curiosity. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. Try to make it straight here. So this is fold number 1. Fold 2. Fold number 4. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it a little bit with my sledgehammer, see if I can firm it out. Now mind you, this is a little bit of a thicker paper than usual. Let's go ahead and fold it. Number 5. It's getting hard. Number 6. See if you do it. This is number 6. Oh, it's very hard. Oh man, I don't know if I can get number 7. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to get a blank sheet of paper, like a white sheet of paper. See if that's gonna help me here, because that's gonna be a little thinner, a little bit easier to fold. All right, so I have a white sheet of paper here. Let's try to fold it. 1, 2, 3. 4. 5. This is actually another. Alright, so where it gets hard, 6. I don't want to crush my fingers here. Alright, I'm going to attempt 7 here. This is where it gets really hard. Okay, that's 7. Hit it with the hammer here. Alright, I'm going to try to attempt 8. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'll try my best. Okay, I have something here that kind of looks like a fold, kind of not. Okay guys, I don't know if that's if that counts as 7 or over 7, but it was close enough. I kind of did like a diagonal thing, so I'm not sure if that counts, but this was very hard to do. But yeah, there you have it. It was folded some way after 7, but whether it was a legit 8th fold is up to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see me destroy next, and God bless.